Ladies and gentlemen, Six Fig Stock Trader here on YouTube, and today we're going to be talking about Voyager token VGX Baby. Now we're looking at this thing on a daily chart, and this thing looks like someone who got a haircut with a lawnmower. It just looks so crooked and crazy. Before we get into this, check me out on Twitter at Real6Fig. This is where I drop updates, upcoming videos, and charts when I cannot make it to a computer to make a video. Also, be on Crypto Airborne's YouTube channel tonight, 8:30 p.m. Central Time. Don't miss out on this. It's going to be a lot of fun. Smash that subscribe button for Crypto Airborne. In addition, if you could smash the like button on this video, that would be much appreciated. It's the easiest way to support the channel, and I totally recognize that. So what's going on with Voyager token right now? Let's look at this on a 5-minute chart, and then we'll switch over to the USD Tether chart of Voyager token. So I am going to go out on a limb here, and I am going to say that I do think Voyager token is getting ready to rip and go on a little bit of a bull run here, primarily because we have somewhat, I guess you could kind of argue, that there is somewhat of a falling wedge here. And we can see that, and usually what we'll see is once price action gets down to this squeeze point, we will see price action exit and run to the upside. So with that said, let's look at this at a super high level. Bear with me 1 second. We'll get to the 1 hour chart. And we can see that's kind of what happened here. We had price action, consolidate, and squeeze, and it moved to the upside. So here we are testing this trend line of this descending triangle that came down. And like I've speculated in the last few videos, is that this could be the start for Elliott wave theory. And I still believe that this could be true. So even though I've been catching some flack, I definitely think that we are still due for at least a $4.38 VGX token in the near future, and possibly even as high as a $5. Now, nobody really knows when this is going to happen, but I would speculate sometime by the end of November, this could quickly become a reality. Now, if this doesn't happen, I'm going to throw out some bearish things because it's good to talk about both sides. And I do think that we may see some sort of head and shoulders pattern form if we do not get the Elliott wave theory at this point. And I do think that we would see this Elliott wave, or this head and shoulders pattern kind of form, maybe in the shape of a rising wedge or something of that nature. But I do think we'd see a neckline similar to this. So we might see some $4.50-ish levels. But with that said, I do think that Voyager token is looking good right now, even though we can see that price action has really suffered since the whole NBA partnership announcement with the Dallas Mavericks. We can see that RSI is low at 34, and we can kind of see the same kind of pattern almost playing out with the RSI. A little bit of a falling wedge. So I do think that it's going to bang here, or start banging, at least I hope soon, because Voyager token holders, man, you guys are some of the toughest crypto holders I've ever seen. And huge shout out to all of the VGX heroes for holding this token down day after day. You guys are just a bunch of warriors in that respect. So again, check us out. I'm going live on Crypto Airborne's channel at 8:30 p.m. Central Time. He needs all the subscribers that he can to get to 1,000. That is the next push. And if you could please smash that like button, I'd certainly appreciate it. And I do sincerely appreciate it. more than everyone knows. So here we go, folks. Will we get this price action to reverse and get another golden cross on the VGX charts? Only time will tell. I will run a little bit of Fibonacci on this just quickly. I go from this point down to this point. Maybe we'll just swing this over here. And so, I mean, we are getting a time sequence confirmation right here today, an hour ago. So whether or not this is a pivot point for price action, we'll just have to play and wait and see. So big shout out to all the Patreons. Get your name, YouTube channel name, business name up on this banner for $3 a month. See you guys on the next video and on the live stream tonight, folks. Don't miss out.